I wanted to make a video on how to closed caption a video using the YouTube's closed captioning feature. First thing you want to do is log into your channel. Now sometimes there is an option for my channel over here on the left, but mine is not visible. So I'm going to go ahead to my account settings on the right side and click my K. Down here I have my channel. So now you see I have one video published, but it has already been captioned. So I need to go into my Creator Studio where all of my videos are housed and select the one that I need to edit. My blog tutorial has yet to have captions edited and added to it. And you can tell here that it's just HD, whereas the virtual museum exit tutorial has HD and closed caption with it. So I'm going to go back to this blog tutorial. Down here at Edit, I'm going to click the right hand arrow, that is a down arrow, and scroll to Subtitles / closed caption. Once we are in this tab, you notice that there are published closed captions in English. You're going to go ahead and click that. And your videos are now visible. So they're up here on the left based on time, and they're also below your video. In order to edit these captions, you're going to go up to this top right hand corner, click Edit, and you want to click Overwrite. That will allow you to edit the captions that have already been there. Otherwise, you will just accept what YouTube has given you. Now there are two ways to edit your captions. The first way is to edit the time length that they appear on your screen. So this first box here, it goes from 0.6 of a second to the 8-second mark. Now if it is too long, you notice that over here it's highlighted in blue. Put my cursor over it and I can drag it to any length that I want. Now you're going to have to adjust the following captions as well. So if you move that first one, it could end up with a gap. Now that could be okay for your video, but you may have to adjust them as you go. In order to get further in your video, you can just drag the time bar right above these boxes and it'll move along. The second part of your captions that you want to edit is your punctuation and your grammar. You notice that there is no punctuation, no periods, no commas, no capitalization. That is very important to have in your videos. So for me, I just went down this left column here and I made edits. And you notice that I just clicked in my boxes, place my cursor where I need to, and I just go ahead and add it. And you notice those caption edits are automatic. So as soon as I capitalized welcome, on the left over here, it capitalized in my video. Another thing that I have started to do was take out words. I noticed that I say so or and the YouTube will put in all of those words. So I clarified my captions for simplicity to make them shorter and more understandable. So if I had a little mess up in my speech, I would edit that out of the captions because it's not necessary for somebody who is watching the video only with the captions. Those are my tips and tricks on how to caption your video, and once you've done all of the changes you see necessary, go ahead and click your Save Changes. And you'll notice up here your subtitles have been published. And once you go back, maybe you watched your video a couple times and you notice that some of that timing was off, you didn't notice the first time, you can go right back here, click your automatic subtitles, click Edit, and Overwrite again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new.